Do you believe that someone can break your heart and still be the only person who can heal it? This is not just a love story. This is a story of trust, pain, misunderstanding, and a love that refused to die. Stay with me, because at the end, you will ask yourself one question. Was it betrayal, or was it sacrifice? This story is about a boy named Ali and a girl named Sarah. They were not rich. They were not famous. Just two normal people, living a very simple life. But sometimes, simple love stories become the most complicated ones. Ali worked in a small bookstore. He loved books, quiet places, and simple life. One day, Sarah came to the shop. "Excuse me, do you have this book?" she asked softly. Ali looked up, and for a moment, he forgot what she said. He just looked at her, then quickly said, Yes, let me check." That day, he didn't sell just a book. He gave his heart, without knowing. After that day, Sarah started coming often. Sometimes for books, sometimes for no reason. They talked about simple things. What is your favorite food? Do you like rain? What is your dream? Slowly, their talks became longer, and silence between them became comfortable. One day, Ali said, "I don't have much, but I feel happy when you are here." Sarah smiled and said softly, "I feel the same." Everything was going well. Until one day, Sarah suddenly changed. She stopped coming. She stopped replying. Ali waited. 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, then he saw her. But she was not alone. She was with another man. They looked close. Very close. Ali's heart dropped. He didn't go to her. He didn't ask anything. He just walked away. Because sometimes, silence hurts more than words. Ali stopped smiling. He stopped reading books. Even his small bookstore felt empty. His friend asked, "What happened?" Ali said, "Nothing. I just made a mistake, trusting someone. Sometimes in life, we don't lose people. We lose the version of ourselves that believed in them." Months passed. Ali decided to move on. He worked harder. He improved himself. He even started a bigger bookstore. But inside, he still had questions. Why did she leave? Was I not enough? One night, he saw Sarah again, standing outside his new shop, crying. Ali felt anger. He said coldly, "Why are you here?" Sarah looked at him with tears and said, "I didn't cheat on you." Ali laughed. A painful laugh. "I saw you with him." Sarah nodded. "Yes, you saw me. But you didn't know the truth. That man is my brother." Ali froze. Sarah continued, "He was very sick. I had no money. I needed help. I didn't tell you because I didn't want you to worry. I pushed you away so you could live peacefully." Ali's eyes filled with tears. "All this time, you were suffering alone?" Sarah nodded. "I thought, if you hate me, you will forget me faster." Ali stepped closer and said softly, "You broke my heart. To protect me?" Sarah whispered. "I loved you more than myself." Ali held her hand. "Next time, don't protect me from pain. Let me stand with you. Because real love is not about easy moments. It is about standing together even in the hardest times. They didn't need big promises. Just one sentence was enough. We will face everything together. So what do we learn from this story? Love is not perfect. People make mistakes. Sometimes they hide truth, not to hurt you, but to protect you. But remember this: communication is love, trust is love, and staying even in pain. That is real love. If this story touched your heart and helped you learn some English, then don't just watch, feel it, remember it, and tell me in the comments, was Sarah right or wrong? And if you want more stories like this, simple English, real emotions, subscribe to English Elevation, because here we don't just learn English, we feel it.